Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this before and after photo, video, product edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to do a video on this one, and I'm going to select enhance first. I'm going to detect the face. I'm going to smooth everything out, delete some smile lines here, delete dark circles, and I'm just going to brighten it as well. And once I am done with that, I'm going to right click here, create compound clip here, and I'm going to go to face and smooth that out just a little bit more to delete that. Go to mask and select the horizontal one, and I'm going to place it like 90 degrees. And actually I'm going to do it like that. And I am going to also add like a white line for this, like on top of that. Let's just adjust this first. I'm going to place it kind of here. I might change it to black outline because, to be honest, I can't really see that. Go to the mask and add a keyframe here, and in the middle or in the end, like at the end, you're going to drag this to the right side. Same with this mask right here, add a keyframe here. And right about here, I'm going to drag the line to the right side, like so. And you'll see the before and the after. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!